and gentlemen, welcome to Miami. The time is 5 minutes past 7 o'clock. Please remain seated and please keep the aisles clear of any carry-on bags until we are parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Once the seatbelt sign has been turned off, please take extra care when opening overhead compartments as luggage may have shifted during our flight. There will be an agent meeting this flight. If you have any questions regarding our arrival here in Miami, those of you who have wheelchairs ordered, please stay in your seats until notified by one of the crew that your wheelchair is ready and available for you. On behalf of the entire crew, it's been a pleasure having you on board. We realize you have a choice in airline travel, and we thank you for choosing American Airlines. We wish you a pleasant evening.
Bienvenidos, damas y caballeros, aquí al Aeropuerto Internacional en Miami, Florida. Manténgase sentado con sus cinturones ajustados hasta que lleguemos a la puerta del terminal. Tengan cuidado abriendo los compartimentos superiores, ya que durante el aterrizaje los artículos se hayan movido. De parte de los tripulantes internacionales, ha sido un placer servirle esta tarde. Esperamos que todos tengan una tarde muy placentera o donde su destino los lleve.